Chief Meteorologist Tom Coomes here with an updated tornado count, and Indiana has already set a new record for the total number of tornadoes for a year, and the year isn't even half over. Now it's 75 total tornadoes. The previous record was 73 back in 2011. Michigan at a modest 20, and Michiana itself with 12 confirmed tornadoes so far this year. When you look at the Midwest as a whole, Indiana and Illinois stand out both regionally and on a national scale. Illinois also setting a record for the total number of tornadoes. And this is the fourth year in a row for Indiana and Illinois that we have seen an increase in the total number of tornadoes. This is the Severe Weather Archive display. And what I want to highlight for you is just the past few years. If you look at these numbers right here from 2023, 2024, 25, and then of course this year 2026, these numbers are increasing for the state of Indiana. I'm just looking at Indiana's totals, and on average we see around 23 tornadoes each year. So we're more than doubling that in this trend, and so this is something we're watching pretty closely. And if you also add in Illinois, you'll see a similar trend. So both Indiana and Illinois have really felt it. Now all the tornado tracks are going back to the 1950s here, but on average, it's around 64 total tornadoes between both of those states. The most severe time of year is April, May, and June, so we're right in the mix of it. But you can see how the total number of tornadoes, the past three and now this being the fourth year, are really standing out. And so this isn't really a complete coincidence here when we talk about the total number of tornadoes and a trend that we've started to see Tornado Alley slowly shifting towards the east and our tornado activity increasing across the Midwest, especially in Illinois and Indiana. This is a less of a link with climate change, but there still is a connection here that this is the trend that we're watching more closely as the warm season starts sooner and lasts longer. That typically means our tornado season can start sooner, last longer, and that typically leads to more tornadoes. Stay with ABC 57 News for updates and when we may have severe weather again.